You've heard the phrase before, help me understand. It sounds simple enough, and in some cases it is. You literally don't understand. But it can also mean a bunch of other things. So today I brought my two wordplay experts. Meet Bonnie and Frank.
Hey boss, we won't be able to deliver the report by that deadline. We'll need until the end of the month.
Help me understand why you need more time. In this case, Bonnie totally gets it. She's just annoyed and a little worried. The reasons don't matter. She's just trying to get to the bottom of the problem.
Hey boss, we're gonna need to increase our budget by a lot to cover that new project.
Help me understand. Budgets are pretty tight these days. Have you looked into alternative ways to move around the money? Bonnie completely understands the budget story. She's just trying to get Frank to realize that he's overspending and really doesn't need more money. Okay, that's it. Did we help you understand?